Okay, so I have a bit of a performance bug that I found in Blender. Lately on the channel, we've been talking a lot about the Vulkan backend versus the OpenGL backend for the viewport rendering. And here are my test results. Obviously, the Vulkan backend is quite a bit faster, but I've had some crashing with it lately, and I think I know what is going on. So let me open Blender here. This is just one of my files that I noticed this issue in. You can see here I have the Vulkan backend turned on, and it doesn't mention any other performance issues except for it says low performance in VR. So I had been assuming that it was mostly stable, and I am in Blender 4.5.0 right now. So let's close out of this, and I'll show you here. I basically can't do almost anything with this turned on right now. So all I'm going to do here is click on the wireframe rendering, and it's going to crash Blender. So I'll just restart that, and then we'll disable it. So I'll switch here to the OpenGL backend. I'll save preferences, and then I'll just reopen the scene. Okay, so you can see that OpenGL is enabled. I'll close this, and now I can do basically whatever normal stuff I would do in Blender, and there are no problems. So if you've noticed some crashing lately and you were trying Vulkan, maybe just reset that and see if that was your issue. I just wanted to bring it up because everybody has seen those benchmarks that's been on the channel, and I wanted to make sure that people were aware. But that's it, just a quick announcement. Thanks.